If you want to know some answers to this question, how can I start digital marketing? Then you need to see this video. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video. Let's get into it. What kind of content do you want to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments under the video. Internet marketing has grown to be one of the fastest and most in-demand careers available on the market today. Digital marketing gives you the ability to work on exciting and fun projects. It gives you the chance to partner with some amazing brands and businesses and work from anywhere you like in the world with just a laptop and an internet connection. It's very easy to notice the things that makes the digital marketing industry so appealing. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the things you need to know so you can begin a career in digital marketing. Working in the digital marketing career can be one of the most rewarding and fun careers to be a part of. Internet marketing can enable you to work on entertaining and exciting projects with people, businesses and brands that you like to work with. Plus, digital marketing is also a good way to earn money and create a second income. I got started working in digital marketing a few years ago. The industry is constantly changing with each year. There have been a lot of trends come and go in the digital marketing space. So, what I want to do is start by helping you getting started with digital marketing. I want to help you save some of your time, money and energy before you even get started in the process of starting a career in digital marketing. I want to tell you about some shortcuts to help you. I'm going to tell you how to give yourself a better chance to succeed within the internet marketing industry, and to do this, I'm going to give you some tips and ideas. Let's start with number 1, a question that many people who want to start a career in digital marketing ask, and that is this: do you need any kind of degree in marketing? The answer that I am going to give you to this question is no, you do not need a degree in marketing. I will say that a marketing degree is quite useful if you have one. A marketing or business degree can teach you things like the economics and finance and accounting side of business, and other principles in business and marketing such as customer service. It is not so much about the marketing stuff. For you to start a career in digital marketing, you will need to spend time and self-study. The good news is today there are many ways that you can do this. You can listen to audiobooks, you can also read top-rated blogs on the internet, you can also take online courses and go to classes. There are lots of marketing videos online that you can watch. You don't need to worry about having a formal education or going to a university or anything like that. These educational systems do have a place. The thing is, you have to take a very calculated choice and decide if it's worth spending between 2 to 4 years of your life, as well as paying a fee which can be in the thousands for you to go to a university or a college and attend classes for tuition. For some people, this opportunity to go away, study at a reputable college or university to get a degree in marketing is going to be the right decision. Maybe if you see yourself as the kind of person who feels that they need a formal place and you need to sit down in a class and you need that student-teacher support and interaction in order to learn something, then you are going to be okay. For many people, it's simply not needed. The important point to remember here is that it's not about having a degree, but it's about gaining the strategies and the knowledge that you need. It's about having the understanding and gaining the experience. Let's now move on to tip number 2. This is about the best and most effective way to learn internet marketing and to practice internet marketing. Now, you may have a goal to apply for a job and work as a digital marketing assistant for a business, brand or company. Or perhaps you are in a situation where you want to get some knowledge and take your experience, and maybe you like the idea of starting a digital marketing agency. Or maybe you want to be a digital marketing consultant, or perhaps you just want to grow and support an existing business that you already have. If this sounds like you, then you are going to need to know exactly what you are doing. Let me tell you something about the internet marketing industry. There are a lot of people who read one book or take one single quick course somewhere and then claim to call themselves a digital marketer. If you know people like this simply is not the case. If you are serious about getting results online and you really want to be in a position where you thrive and become an internet marketer at the top of their game, then you will need to put in the time and study the elements of marketing. You will need to learn and you will have to get as much knowledge on different topics as you can get, which you can then apply to your marketing and get better results. The best advice I can give you as of now is to simply start doing something in the digital marketing industry. Now, this could mean sign up for an Instagram account or a TikTok account and try and grow an audience of followers in a niche and create some content for it. This could also mean making videos for a YouTube channel and learning the fundamentals and basics of recording, video editing, and video optimizing for SEO and search engine optimization. This means exploring websites and building a website from scratch. This means you will learn about things like website design and development and SEO techniques so that you can rank the websites for long tail search terms. You will also need to learn about every other area and aspect that you have an interest in within the digital marketing space. There are many different areas in the digital marketing field. Some of these include social media marketing, chatbot marketing, video creation, content marketing, e-commerce, blogging, affiliate marketing, network marketing, building websites, freelancing, SEO or search engine optimization, and local business marketing, to give you a few. So, let's say, for example, that you have an interest in building websites for yourself or for other people. You can start with building a simple website, and I recommend you use a plugin called WordPress to do this. If you build a website and then get some feedback on it, you can go from there. I would suggest that you build a website with WordPress, get some feedback from people who work in the digital marketing field, and then use that. If you build a website and it is not very good and is considered to be somewhat ugly, then what you need to do is go away and learn and study website design so that you can get your website looking nice, professional, and appealing to the right audience. Now, if you have an attractive and professional looking website and you realize that no one can actually find it anywhere online, this feedback tells you that you need to go and learn search engine optimization. This is the process of optimizing your website pages for given keywords so they rank highly in Google search pages. SEO also includes building backlinks so that your website links to other websites on the internet. This helps you to be seen as more of an authority website. SEO does take some time to work well, but it is usually worth doing when done in the right way. If you go away and learn some SEO strategies and implement SEO techniques in your website, you should find that your website will start to get more clicks from people because they are finding the website in Google search results for specific keyword phrases. Search engines help people find what they're looking for online. Whether researching a product, looking for a restaurant, or booking a vacation, search engines are a common starting point when you need information. For business owners, they offer a valuable opportunity to direct relevant traffic to your website. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of orienting your website to rank higher on a search engine results pages, SERP, so that you receive more traffic. The aim is to typically rank on the first page of Google results for search terms that mean the most to your target audience. So, SEO is as much about understanding the wants and needs of your audience as it is about the technical nature of how to configure your website. The role of SEO. The goal of SEO is to raise your ranking in organic search results. There are different practices for optimizing AdWords, shopping, and local results. While it may appear that so many competing elements taking up real estate on SERPs push the organic listings down, SEO can still be a very powerful, lucrative effort. Considering that Google processes billions of search queries daily, organic search results are a very large slice of a very large pie. And while there is some upfront and ongoing investment required to secure and maintain organic rankings, every click that sends traffic to your website is completely free. So, if you now have a website which has a good level of SEO set up on it, and you are getting some website clicks and visitors, you may want to get more clicks at this point. So, I would suggest that you go and learn everything you need to know about social media marketing and learn about how the algorithms work. so that you can get your content in front of more people, and this way you can drive more clicks and visitors to your website. It could be that you want to build your own audience. If this is the case for you, I would suggest you go and study and learn email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to build an audience in a niche market. You can control every part of email marketing, so it is all about building a mailing list and giving it good value and then promoting offers to your email list to make money. There are so many areas in internet marketing that you can learn about that will grow your business, help you make more sales, reach more people, expand your brand awareness, and increase the traffic that you get to your website. So, the key for you to start with digital marketing is to simply get started. I would suggest to try and pick something that you have an interest in. Otherwise, you may quickly lose interest and give up. If you enjoy using social media, then you can do Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. What you need to do is choose an area to start with and study and learn everything that you can about what you are doing. So, if this is Facebook, then you would study the content formats, the language used on Facebook, the way the algorithm works, and over time, as you study and implement the new things you are learning day after day, week after week, month after month, soon you get much better and become more of an expert in the field. My advice is to figure out which area you want to practice in and which area you want to develop an area of expertise in. To do this, you will need to do a lot of experimentation and try a lot of different things. Some things that you can do if you are interested in websites are SEO, content marketing, and website development. The key thing to do is to do this until you find the right one and the right fit for you. Let's move on to my next tip. That is, you need to become a T-shaped marketer. Let me explain to you what a T-shaped marketer is. A T-shaped marketer is someone who has a broad and general understanding on a variety of different topics, and they also have a very specific and very focused expertise or knowledge on a certain thing or things. Here's the thing, internet marketing is made up of a lot of different subcategories. We are talking about things like content and SEO and public relations, email marketing, website design and development, social media marketing, video marketing, and many more. You can spend a lot of time studying these things every day, and you may only consider calling yourself an expert in just a handful of them. There are a lot of different areas. As an example, you may want to learn about building websites. Now, this would require you to learn about plugins such as WordPress, which is simply a drag and drop and makes the whole process of building a website far easier. So, you will not need to learn about HTML and coding to build a website. You just need to learn about WordPress. If you have no interest in coding, then do not spend your time learning about coding to build a website. Just learn how to use WordPress to build a site. I suggest that you focus on things that you find way more fun and exciting. Now, this could be marketing content and strategy. Where do you start with this? Here is what I suggest you do. The best place to begin learning and honing your skills is not on specific tactics like building Instagram stories or building a website and doing SEO to optimize it. The first place that you should start with this is to gain an understanding of the key foundational marketing basics and the marketing principles that are relevant today, which were relevant, say, 10 or even 20 years ago. So I would suggest to not start off with things such as building websites or creating content for Instagram stories, but start with learning and understanding the key basics of marketing. If you need help starting or growing a profitable online business, go and click the link under the video now and check out my partner website, the Internet Business School. They can help you develop your digital skills and advance your marketing career and provide you with all the training and the knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish and put you ahead of the competition. The link is in the description below, so check it out now. Please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video. Please connect on Facebook. I have put the link to the Facebook page in the description under this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.